We love the finished product. The lights look really great. We really love how much it accentuates some of the features that we've got in the house, and we love the curb appeal that it brings. Bolt was a piece of cake to work with. It was very seamless. The quote and the demo that Bolt provided was really easy to use and wrap your head around what the experience will be like after they're installed. It was really easy. What we really liked about Bolt was that this is what they do, and so it was great to have experienced folks installing our lights. We would definitely recommend Bolt. We actually already have recommended Bolt to some of the folks in our neighborhood who have asked how we got the lights installed.